my mind wouldn't stop. She was away visiting family, and my mind would say, what if the damage is too great? What if she can't forgive me? What if I do everything and it's still not enough? And she's not even here. I'm robbing myself of the present by managing a future that doesn't exist. Here's what I learned to do about it. Get out of your head. Get into your body. One breath. One moment. Sounds simple, right? But first you need to understand what's actually happening. Because overthinking doesn't just happen in your head, it bleeds into everything. When we're having a good moment, I'm thinking, yeah, but we haven't addressed the real issues. Yeah, but we've got all these deeper problems and I'm not there anymore. That's the cost. The mind doesn't stop because my ego is trying to control things I have no control over. Can she forgive me? Can we repair? I don't control that. All I control is how I show up. And the moment I realized that, the moment I understood I can't manage the future, something shifted. The overthinking didn't stop immediately, but it quieted. Because I stopped fighting something I was never going to win against. Control. And here's what overthinking has actually cost me. Moments with her. I'm there, but I'm not there. We're having something good and I'm managing something that doesn't exist. So I lose those moments. And you can't get them back. My peace. The mind never stops, so there's no quiet, there's no rest. Just constant what ifs. Constant trying to solve something that can't be solved by thinking. My energy. Overthinking is exhausting. Even when you don't realize it, you're running a mental war in your head while trying to show up in your life. It drains you. My focus at work. I'm supposed to be working, but I'm thinking about her, about us, about whether we can repair. So nothing gets my full attention. Not work, not her, not my life. That's what overthinking cost. And I was only recently where I decided that this has cost me more than it's giving back. It's time to stop. But here's how I'm managing it now. Letting go of things I can't control. I can't control whether she forgives me. I can't control whether we repair. I can't control the outcome. So I stopped trying. And the moment I did, the pressure lifted. Getting into my body, focusing on my breath, moving my body, because overthinking comes from fear, from anxiety, and fear lives in your head. The moment you get into your body, you're out of fear, you're present. I don't want to live my life in fear. Screw that. So I choose presence. One breath at a time. That's how I'm doing it. And it works. So you're at a fork. You can keep overthinking, keep managing futures that don't exist, keep robbing yourself of moments that actually are happening. Keep exhausting yourself trying to solve what can't be solved by thinking. Or you can choose something different. Get into your body. One breath. One moment. Be present with her. Be present with your life. Stop trying to control what you don't control. And accept that all you can do is show up and do your best. Everything else is outside your control. That's the choice. Which one are you choosing? If you're resonating with this, if overthinking is something you know, like this video, subscribe, and if you want to dig deeper with me on this stuff, I send out a newsletter every week, share my insights, more real conversations about what it actually takes to show up in a relationship. Life is meant to be felt. Your relationship is meant to be felt, not thought. So here's what I want you to do the next time you feel overthinking start. The next time your mind is managing a future that doesn't exist, pause. One breath. Get into your body. Be present, because the nightmare of overthinking only ends when you stop trying to think your way out of it and start feeling your way through it. That's the difference. That's the freedom. That's your life back.